What's up everybody, welcome back to another wood-shaped video. So now that I have the modular mallet all finished up, I moved my attention back to my workbench where I attached a second apron and then attached it to the sawhorse legs as I explained that I was going to do last time. So I'm at a point now where I feel like the bench is almost complete. There may be a couple more things I want to add to it, but I wanted to share my progress today. And so without further ado, let's get on with the build and we'll see you at the end. if you recall me mentioning earlier, I said that this workbench started out with, yeah, 2 sawhorses and a maple, basically butcher's block, just thrown on top of that, and that was basically my bench. So it's evolved into something somewhat unique. The design is unique. It has somewhat of a Japanese twist to it just because of the sawhorses. And so now that it's attached and it has some of the other more functional items on there, I'm really happy with how this turned out. If you also enjoyed it, go on and give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you're not already, go on and get subscribed to the channel. And remember to click that little bell so that you get updates for when I post future videos. Like I said, I love how this turned out and I hope you enjoyed it as well. Remember, until next time, go shape some wood and we'll see you again soon.